Hello there, INFOrmed Beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Okay, so today's video I wanted to talk about, we need to talk about this, okay? And it is all about, are you using oils correctly? Because from my experience with talking with clients, a lot of people are not using oils correctly. So I really want to take the time out in this video to share with you guys how you should be using oils, especially when it comes to this colder weather. Oils can be very beneficial, but only if you're using them correctly. Let's talk about, firstly, what does an oil do? Let's zone in on what an oil does for the skin. I always think of oil as a sealant. I never think of it as a moisturizer. It should always be thought of as a sealant. So by sealant, I mean it's going to lock in your moisture. Okay, it's going to lock in the lotion. So it's going to lock in the water base. Okay, this is what you're going to use to moisturize. Oil is a sealant. How you want to do this, right? Like, let's say you have super dry skin and you want to utilize oils into your regimen. It doesn't matter what oil you use. It can be coconut, jojoba, almond, grapeseed, anything, right? It doesn't matter. You're going to go ahead and you're going to take your lotion of choice, any lotion, okay? Any lotion. I'm going to demonstrate for you guys, okay? So you're going to, fresh out the shower, you're going to first put on your lotion, okay? You're going to rub it into that skin, make sure that it's nice and moisturized, fresh out of a bath or a shower. You're going to make sure you first put down that water base, okay? Because the water base is what is going to give the skin the moisture, the key moisture, okay? Now, to make sure that moisture stays locked into the skin, okay, especially if you're really like dry, you're going to take your oil of choice, okay? And you are going to take a few drops of oil and you're going to place that over the lotion, okay? Now, this is the problem. This is where I see people using oil incorrectly. They're putting down oil first and then their lotions, and they're wondering why their skin is still dry. That is not how you are supposed to use an oil. Like I said, oils are sealants, okay? They're going to seal in the moisture in which you put down. So water base first, and I always tell my clients to reverse it, and you'll see a big difference in your skin, and they do. This water is going to seep into the skin. I'm trying to make sure that I make this very clear because I don't want to hear about nobody and you guys using oils and then a water-based moisturizer. And that goes for your face as well. No more of that. Those days, we're leaving that in 2022, okay? Moving into this new year, moisturizer, lotions first, and then you're going to seal with your oil. I wanted to come on and just make this a quick video and just to really like let it be known that oils are not supposed to be put down first, because even like watching random videos, TikToks and all that, and people are putting down oils first. And then people, like regular people who watch these TikToks, go and put down oil first on their skin, then moisturizer, and then they come to someone like me and they're like, my skin is still dry, and I'm just like, well, what are you doing? Oh, I'm putting down an oil and then I moisturize afterwards, or I just use oil. And sometimes I just use oil on my skin as well, but I don't have really dry skin or whatnot. And sometimes just oil every now and then can be fine because I've done it. But if you have really dry skin, just oil is not going to cut it. You need to put down that moisturizer. And even if you aren't super dry, you still need to be using water base, okay? And then always follow up oil, okay? So moisture first, then oil. Moisture first, then oil, okay? All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.